Hello.
How's it going?
Good, my man.
Rob.
Amir, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You can come inside, take off your shoes. This is Costa Rica.
Now that is magical.
This house is a bit over 700 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Each bedroom has a master ensuite.
The woodwork in here is phenomenal.
Yeah,
I mean, even the front door.
This house was designed by an Italian architect. It was built about 20 years ago.
So how did you come about being part of this house?
Chilean family was living here, and I went to a party when they did here. The first moment I know that the family left back to Chile.
Yeah, you had to have this house.
Exactly, and since then it's a love story. Now we are in the main area of the house where the living space is. There is a small bar for people that are a bit like to party. And right here is the dining area. As you can see, everything here is from full wood and everything here is handmade. And this also holds up for many years when it's like this.
That is a chair. This is where we're gonna eat, but where are you gonna cook everything up?
Here is the full kitchen. Let me show you. We have a small kitchen here, a big kitchen, and also a place to do like a breakfast. Sometimes, of course, we arrange private chefs also that could cook for the big groups and for the people.
You said there's 4 master suites that are all...
Yes.
Okay, which one's your favorite one and why?
Has to be my favorite room number 1.
Okay.
Let me show you. There is also a jacuzzi room inside the bedroom. So it's very crazy. We have to check it out.
This guy just became my best friend. Now this is a master bedroom. It's almost like 2 master bedrooms in one.
Yes, almost like a small wall separating between them. This is the biggest bedroom in the villa and the private entry to the beach.
And where are the other bedrooms located?
There is one upstairs, another bedroom, and then there is another separate building inside the villa which has another 2 bedrooms. And everything is viewing the pool, so everything is always connected.
Which is why I can see if you're at a party, why you would fall in love with it. It's all the energies in the middle of the home. Where's the tub?
Good question. The tub is hidden right here.
A hidden tub. Oh, Amir. Oh, now that is a tub. I mean, imagine just sitting in here, looking out over the jungle, seeing the ocean. All right, well, I think the tour's done.
We haven't seen the outside yet.
Yeah, no, tour's done.
Good. Oh, believe me. Come, let's see the outside also.
All right, I will be back.
Hey Rob, so this is the outside area. As you can see, the pool is very big. There is this cool island space when you can do a cocktail and see the sunset.
And then this is sort of like your own private jungle.
Private jungle, definitely, private yard.
Is that like a dance floor or what's this?
We did a deck we had Valletta yoga retreats and PA groups that are doing yoga. We did a wedding here, we did a ceremony here. So it can be used for different stuff.
What's there to do in the area?
It's very famous for the surf spots, good restaurants, Valletta waterfalls and day tours. Just here in front there is a phenomenon with the rocks. It's like a natural tide pool, size of almost half of an Olympic pool.
Really?
The water is ocean water, so it's very, very cool to enjoy the day.
And that usually happens when it's obviously a low tide,
Only
right?
low tide, yes.
This truly is that magical Costa Rica spot that I thought I was going to uncover, and I did. Thank you so much for showing me around.
You're welcome. It was nice meeting you, my friend.
This place is magical. I got to take a boat back to Hako.
Okay, I will check out the waves.
I love it.
See you soon.
See you, buddy.